In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your pitch. If you learned this, you are happy with the result, like the video, comment down below and subscribe. I really appreciate it. So what you're going to have to do after you record your video, I can press on here and record a new video. Then I can select, click on here. You have this pen, this hand. Then you go to effects, and then here in noise removal, I can click on here on click or noise reduction if you want to. But if you want to change pitch, here in pitch and tempo, click on change pitch. Now here I like to sound like a demon, so can go to about 20 and then click on preview. And as you can see, it worked without any problem. I sound like a demon now. Change this, try this for yourself, and leave your comments down below like your result, and tell me if you sound like a demon, because I'm pretty sure it sounds like one. You can also sound, by the way, like very high pitch if here you can increase to 20 instead of -20. All right, so I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.